In this lesson, I am going to show you how you can manage basic permissions before starting the lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use chmod to change permission on files and directories. Let's look at a couple of examples. The first example is chmod 750 on my file. You can see that 3 different digits are used in the command to change permissions for my file. To understand these digits, we should know that read equals 4 or write equals 2 and execute equals 1. You should also know that digits refer to UGO, user groups, and others. So if you see 7, it means user gets read, write, and execute permissions. If you see 5 is 4 plus 1, that means group, that is read and execute, and 0, that means other gets nothing at all. You can do it in an alternative way, also by using chmod u plus r, g minus w, o plus x my file, but I won't recommend that. So we have just set up appropriate ownership. Now let's have a look at the permissions themselves. We have learned that read, write, and execute are default standard permissions on Linux. So if you have to look at a current permission for group accounts and group sales, what we'll do is we'll go to the directory and we'll try to figure out by doing ls-l. We see there are 2 directories, accounts and sale. You'll see that owner has the read, write, execute group, and the group has read, write, execute, and the other has read and execute. Now that's not good, because we want the members of the group to create file in the group directory. And also we probably don't want anyone to accept these group directories. In order to change it, you can use chmod, and as I mentioned, you can use absolute mode or relative mode. Absolute mode is by far the easiest if you want to work with simple permissions assigned like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the chmod command, chmod 770 on account, where 7 is read, write, execute permissions, the other 7 is group read, write, execute permissions, and 0 is others get nothing. And for groups read, write, and execute, so if you do ls-l after hitting enter, what you're going to see is that it's all set. Chmod can also be used in relative mode. So if I do chmod g plus w on sales, you can see that group has now read, write, and execute permission. And if I do chmod o minus rx on sale, it takes away read and execute permissions from the group, from others, and you can see that everything is now set correctly. To set permissions, you will use chmod, and in order to do chmod, it's important to understand that read equals 4, write equals 2, and execute equals 1. That is absolute mode and relative mode. You just add or take permissions to owners. That's all you need to understand for managing basic permissions. Thank you.